Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmeline bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The School of Formation of Salesian Communicators of North America met for the first time on Wednesday, October 27, through the online platform Zoom. The meeting was led by Julia St. Clair, Communications Coordinator for SUE Province, and was presented by the General Counsellor for Social Communication, Father Gildazio Mendes. This showed the participants how the stories of the Bible and our faith involve us in the five senses, combined with feelings, dialogue and mystery. His years of experience to the school, and I particularly appreciated how he stressed that communication needs all five senses and that it also needs emotion, shared Father Kevin of the Orange community of the SUE province. In the second week of December, the Salesian community Don Bosco, Lahore was able to distribute humanitarian aid to 200 families of Afghan refugees who are in the community of Peshawar. This activity was carried out with the collaboration and coordination of local authorities, the police and the city administration, which facilitated the distribution. The main benefactors were Don Bosco Mission Ahend, Salesian Missions of New Rochelle, Don Bosco, Switzerland. In the last 2 weeks in the Salesian province of East Africa, a seminar was held for Salesians over 55 years of age, held in conjunction with the meeting of Salesian trainees and the annual retreat. The retreat focused on the theme Discipleship as a focus of attention to Christ, with reflections led by Father Vincent Tempo, SDP, Vicar of the Vice Province of Zambia, Malawi, Zimbabwe, and Namibia. These events took place at Don Bosco Youth Educational Services. On December 9th, the meeting of the Federations of the Past Peoples of Don Bosco of the America region, led by their advisor Eduardo Pessoa Cavalcante, took place online. The event was attended by past peoples from Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guatemala, Mexico, Panama, Paraguay and Peru. The meeting was opened by the greeting of Eduardo Pessoa Cavalcante and the initial prayer. The agenda included reflections on the 2021 World Assembly, the next actions of the past peoples according to the plan presented, personal presentation of each participant, American Congress 2022 and 2023, moment of dialogue. The meeting strengthened the sense of communion and commitment to work together for the coming years, said Pessoa Cavalcante. From 5th to 11 December, the Salesians of all 4 Polish provinces organized the online Advent retreat called KOX Online Retreat for Youth. It is a series of live meetings with different priests on important topics for young people. These took place on the Facebook page Salesiansky Portal Lodzizowi, which brings together young people linked to the Salesian family in Poland. The entire initiative was coordinated by Father Marius Johnny, SDB, Delegate for Social Communication of the province of Wrocław. Among the preachers here, there were also Father Dominik Chmielowski, SDB, Father Theodore Sawilewicz, and also young Salesians such as Father Patrick Chmielowski, SDB, Father Damian Makiewicz, SDB, and Father Marcin Gemisik. About 800 people have benefited from this online retreat. On December 18, the Salesian congregation will celebrate its first 162 years. In fact, he was born in Turin on December 18, 1859, with 17 members in addition to the founder Giovanni Bosco, and with the name of Pious Society of St. Francis de Sales. December 18, 1859 was a Sunday, and that day at 9 p.m. the 17 members gathered at the Oratorio San Francisco de Sales and wrote their names in a notebook. It was a notebook printed in a printing house in Turin with 24 sheets sewn together and horizontal lines to facilitate writing. Here were written the 18 names of the first members of the congregation. Their median age was 20 years. The small notebook still exists and is exhibited in the rooms of the Casa Don Bosco Museum in Turin. More than 50 local communication delegates from the Salesian provinces of Spain participated during the morning of Tuesday, December 14, in the third training session with the aim of deepening the tools of planning and measuring content in social networks. Among the aspects discussed, the importance of these as a key tool within the digital world that have modified the way of interaction and planning of Salesian presences and entities was highlighted. It is evident that they are a fundamental tool that drives the new model of communication, learning and pastoral style, said Carlos Martin, delegate of the communication of the Salesian province of Mary Help of Christians, in the introduction of the session. Due to the expansion of the internet, social networks have become the main means of communication for young people. In addition to commenting on some of the advantages, there was time to dwell on the main task of the network manager, who must ensure the creation of marketing plan, establish detailed budgets for social action, propose valuable actions to achieve the objectives that the organization has set, or designed a manual of action in case of crisis. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.